Which one? This is for the AC, right?
Yeah.
And it's the 4mm, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the socket system. So you can just do the wiring. We'll bring the box and fix.
Okay.
I'm going to town to buy the boxes. If you do not understand anything, ask for explanation or ask the masters, okay? Okay? No mistake. Thank you. I told you we are reducing this thing to 6. It should be 6 feet. Yes. So that after they do everything, after they finish the screen and everything, to be left about 5 feet. So that when you are working on it, you don't have to stand on anything. Do you understand? And secondly, if somebody wants to put it off and the person is not tall, the person can put it off. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Gideon. Who here then? So you're here to be over farmer. I've been in the drawing, you know where the lights are supposed to drop. This is 1. This is 1. Middle, 2. Another one at 3. Yes. And then this is 1. So you see this place? Look like this is. So this one, it will come like this 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then fan, 2 fans. Yeah. You can see where the distance is. Yeah. Okay, so it means I cannot all your AC no from the AC unit no one fucking one baby don't function. Okay, that's okay.